All right, I got another 5-minute video for you today. We're going to do a brief flow through some of the warrior poses. The intention, build a little bit of leg strength, get better awareness of where you are in space, and of course do a little bit of stretching. So I'm gonna set my timer. And let's go. Come into your mountain pose. Grow tall through the crown of your head, making lots of space between your head and your shoulders, and then really root down through your feet. And turn to the side. Take a nice breath in as you lift your arms up. As you breathe out, step your left foot back. Adjust your feet as needed. A big breath in. And exhale, warrior one. Breathe in, warrior two. Peaceful warrior. Side angle. Warrior two. Peaceful warrior. Warrior two. Straighten that right leg. Reach forward with your right hand. Triangle. Extended triangle. Rise back up, warrior two. Lower your arms, straighten your leg, turn your left toes out, right toes in. Torso at an angle, warrior one. Moving to warrior two. Peaceful warrior. Side angle. Warrior two. Peaceful warrior. Back to your warrior two. Straighten that left leg, reach forward with the left arm. Triangle. An extended triangle. Slowly begin to rise back up to warrior two. We'll see if we can very briefly do that all again, a little more quickly. Right foot turns out, left foot, we're coming in warrior one, side one. Warrior two. Peaceful warrior. Side angle. Warrior two. Peaceful. Warrior two. Triangle. Warrior two. Straighten your legs, turn your left foot out, right foot in, arms up, warrior one. Warrior two. Peaceful. Side angle. Warrior two. Peaceful. Warrior two. Triangle. Rise back up. You could toe heel your feet back together. Come back to your mountain. Close your eyes. Take a couple of breaths. Blinking your eyes open. That was 5 minutes of a warrior flow.